Welcome to my channel R-Cube Maths. My name is Rajshekhar. Today I am going to explain mathematics questions asked for SSC GD Constable held on 17th November 2021. Observe here, first question belongs to number system. So find the remainder when 5 power 72 is divided by 6. So here in this question we have to find the remainder when 5 power 72 is divided by 6. Simply, so what you get? 5 power 72 can be written as 5 square whole power 36. 72 means product of 2 and 36. So divided by 6. So what you get? 5 square means 25 whole power 36 divided by 6. Here take numerator. 25 power 36 means 25 is multiplied by itself 36 times. So now we know that when 25 is divided by 6, so we get 6 fours 24, we get remainder 1. Since here 25 power 36 divided by 6 means we get remainder 1. So remainder is 1, required answer is 1. So observe here, when 25 is divided by 6 means we get remainder 1. So here 25 power 36 means 25 into 25 into 25, 36 times. So when 25 is divided by 6 means we get remainder. So when 25 into 25 into 36 times means we get 1 into 1 into 1, 36 times. So finally we get 1 is remainder. So answer is 1. Right, next question. So here 6 power 21 plus 6 power 22 plus 6 power 23 is completely divisible by. So this is the question. So what is the factor of this given number? So ఇక్కడ మనం చూడండి 6 power 21 means 6 is repeating 21. 6 power 22 means 6 is multiplied by itself 22 times. Here 6 is multiplied by itself 23 times. So least number 6 power 21 taking as common we get 1. 6 power 21 into 1 plus 6 plus 6 square. 6 power 21 into 6 square means 36. 36 plus 6 means 42. 42 plus 1, 43. So here 43 is a factor of this given number. 43 is the required answer. Right, next question. Now question number 3. Find the remainder 54 into 73 divided by 8. So now here divide 54 by 8, we get 8 6 are 48, we get remainder 6. Divide 73 by 8, 8 9 are 72, we get remainder 6. So we get product of 6 and 1, 6 1 are 6, final remainder is 6. So answer is 6. Very simple. So ఇక్కడ మనకు ఇండివిజువల్గా 54ను 8తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు రిమైండర్ 6 వస్తుంది. 73ని 8తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు రిమైండర్ 1 వస్తుంది. సో ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ టూ రిమైండర్ 6 into 1, ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ 6. సో ఇలా సింపుల్గా చేయవచ్చు. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్ సింప్లిఫికేషన్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్? 999 1/2 plus 999 1/6 plus 999 1/12 plus 999 1/20 plus 999 1/30. So this can be simplified like this. So here this is mixed fraction. 999 1/2 means, so 999 1/2 can be written as 999 plus 1/2. There are 5 terms. So 999 into 5 plus, in first mixed fraction we get proper fraction 1/2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి ప్రతి ఫ్రాక్షన్ 999 1 by 2ను 999 plus 1 by 2 రాయవచ్చు. సో అలా ప్రతి టర్మ్లో 999 ఉంటుంది. అది 5 టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి 5 టైమ్స్ ఇంటూ 5 చేసాం. సో ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ మనకు ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 ఇలా సపరేట్ చేసేస్తాం. సో 999 into 5. సో దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ 1000 minus 1 means 5000 minus 5 means 4995 plus now LCM of denominators. So LCM of denominators 2, 6, 12, 20 and 30 is 60. 2 divides 60 30 times, 6 divides 10 times, 12 divides 5 times, 20 divides 3 times, 3 divides 2 times, 30 divides 2 times. So that is equal to 4995 plus, so 30 plus 10, 40, 45 plus 5, 50. So 50 by 60, so 0 will be cancelled, we get 4995, 5 by 6 is required answer. Right, next question. Fifth question on LCM and HCF. So what is given information? HCF of two numbers is 8. Which of the following never their LCM? So here remember one basic point. HCF is always factor. HCF is always factor of LCM. Remember this point. So HCF అనేది LCMకి ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఫ్యాక్టర్ అవుతుంది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ HCF? 8. సో 8 is given HCF. 8 is factor of 8 divides 48, 8 divides 24, 8 divides 56 7 times. So 8 is not factor of 60. So answer is 60. 60 never be LCM of that two numbers. So very simple concept. Based on basic concept, we can identify the suitable answer easy. Right, next question. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 2, 3, 4 and 6. So remember one thing here. Smallest number which is exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4 and 6 is also divisible by their LCM. Means LCM of 2, 3, 4 and 6 is 12. All are factors of 12. So now we had to find the smallest 4-digit number that will be exactly divisible by 12. So based on option we can find easily. So here the smallest 4-digit number should be divided by 4. Means by options. So what is the rule of 4? What is divisibility rule for 4? So if last digits of the given number should be divided by 4. So observe last digits. Rule 4 ఏంటి? ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్లో లాస్ట్ 2 digits 4తో డివైడ్ కావాలి. ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్స్లో 4తో డివైడ్ అయ్యే నెంబర్స్ ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం. సో 07 is not divisible by 4. 06 not divisible by 4. 08 means 8 is divisible by 4. 09 is not divisible by 4. So here option C is right answer. We can verify rule of 3 also. Sum of the digits 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. So we get 9. Sum of the digits 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 1008 also divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, is also divisible by 6. The given number is exactly divisible by 4. So it is also divisible by 12. So that's why the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4 and 6 is 1008. Right, next question. Find the smallest number which is completely divisible by 6, 14 and 28. So very simple. So LCM of, we can find LCM, the LCM of 6, 14, 28. So with LCM and find out channel. So remember here 14 is factor of 28. So LCM of these two numbers is 28. Now LCM of 6 and 28. Now take factors of, now take multiples of 28. Multiples of 28 means 28 once 28. So is not divisible by 6. Next multiple 28 to 0. 56 is not divisible by 6. Multiple of next multiple is 84. So is exactly divisible by 6. So 84 is the LCM. So here 84 is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 6, 14 and 28. So shortcut for LCM is take any one of the given number. It is better to take a largest number. Write multiples of that number 28, 56, 84 like that. So which least number is exactly divisible by the remaining numbers? So that number should be LCM of all given numbers. Here 28 is not divisible by 6. 56 is not divisible by 6. 84 is divisible by 6, both 6 and 14. So 84 is the LCM. So this is shortcut method. Right. Next question chudandi. Observe next question. So question on discounts. Discount paina chudandi. So find the single discount of successive discounts 20% and 30%. So here very simple shortcut formula. Single discount, apply this formula x plus y plus xy by 100. Here discount means take negative value. Discount on negative value is called. So means minus 20 minus 10 plus minus 20 into minus 10 by 100%. We get minus 30 plus minus into minus plus. So 2 zeros get cancelled. We get plus 2. So finally we get minus 28%. 28 minus indicates discount. So answer is 28%. So ఈ విధంగా మనము సాల్వ్ చేయవచ్చు. So or we can take mark price is 100 rupees. Mark price 100 rupees తీసుకొని సో అలా 2 discount 20% and నెక్స్ట్ రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూ మీద 10% తీసుకొని అలా కూడా చేయవచ్చు. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. So here given mark price. So mark price is 9,000 rupees and to allows two successive discounts 20% and 10%. After allowing that two discounts, what is the selling price of that articles? So mark price 9,000 ఇచ్చాడు. రెండు వరుస డిస్కౌంట్లు 20% 30% ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత దాని సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఎంత అనేది క్వశ్చన్. సో వెరీ సింపుల్. Now take 20% of 9,000. 10% is 900. 20% is 1,800. So we get 7,200. So now 10%. Second discount is 10%. 10% of 7,200 means 720. So after subtracting 720, so what do we get? 6,480. So this is selling price of given article after allowing two successive discounts 20% and 10%. రెండు వరుస డిస్కౌంట్ 20% 10% ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత మనకు ఇలా సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ వస్తుంది. మార్క్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ 9,000. ఫస్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఈజ్ 20% మీన్స్ సో ఆఫ్టర్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ 20% ఫ్రమ్ 100% we get 80% by 100. 80% means 80 by 100 into, so second discount is 10% means 100 minus 10, 90 by 100. So here 1010 in denominator 100 will be cancelled. So 2 zeros get cancelled. So that is equal to 90 into 8972. That is equal to 920 18, 9763 plus 164. So this is the selling. This is another method. సో ఇలా కూడా మనము సింపుల్గా చేయవచ్చు. మార్క్ ప్రైస్ ఇక్కడ వరుసగా మనకు ఒక్కొక్క డిస్కౌంట్ ఇక్కడ 100లో లెస్ చేసి ఈ విధంగా కూడా మనము చేస్తూ వెళ్తే మనకు సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ వస్తుంది. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్ రేషియో ప్రపోర్షన్. హియర్ గివెన్ a is to b is to c is equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1250. And so what is our question? What we have to find a plus b plus c. So in working problem, the ratio like this will be asked. The ratio of three numbers is 3 is to 4 is to 5 and the sum of the squares of that three numbers is 1250. Find the sum of that three numbers. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు క్వశ్చన్ వర్కింగ్ ప్రాబ్లంలో అడగచ్చు లేదా ఈ విధంగా కూడా అడగచ్చు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్? సో రేషియో ఆఫ్ త్రీ నంబర్స్ a is to b is to c means, so what is the first question is multiple of 3, that will be a is 3x, so b is multiple of 4 means 4x, c is multiple of 5 means 5x. So after substituting here, a square means 9x square, b square means 16x square, c square means 25x square, that is equal to 1250. 16 plus 9 25 plus 25 50. So 50x square is equal to 1250. So both side after cancellation 51s, 52s 100, 55s. So we get x square is equal to 25, x is equal to square root of 25 means x is equal to 5. So what is a value? So here a is multiple of 3, so that is equal to 3 into 5 15, b is 4 into 5, c is 5 into 5. So our question is a plus b plus c, sum of three numbers 15 plus 20 plus 25. So that is equal to 60. Sum of three numbers is 60. Right. Next question. So what is the fourth proportion of 3, 8 and 12? 3, 8, 12 యొక్క నాలుగవ అనుపాతం ఏంటి? Let it be fourth proportion is variable x. When these four numbers are in proportion, then product of extremes must be equal to product of means. Product of extremes means 3 into x, product of means 8 into 12, 3 ones, 3 fours. So what you get? X is equal to 8 fours 32. 32 is required answer. సో 4 సంఖ్యల అనుపాతంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు వాటి అంత్యముల లబ్ధము ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మధ్యముల లబ్ధము అవుతుందన్నమాట. సో ఈ ప్రాసెస్లో మనము సింపుల్గా చేయవచ్చు. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Find the ratio of mean proportion of between 36 and 121 and third proportion of 2 and 11. Now first we had to find mean proportion. So mean proportion of 36 and 121. Mean proportion of two numbers is square root of product of the two numbers means square root of 36 and 121. We get the mean proportion. Square root of 36 is 6, square root of 121 is 11. So we get mean proportion is 66. Now third proportion of 2 and 11 is, so let it be a and b. So third proportion is, so 11 square, 11 into 11 divided by 2. So what is the ratio? 66 is to 11 into 11 2 by 2, 11 ones, 11 6. Now we get 6 is to 11 by 2. 6 is to 11 by 2. So that is equal to 12 is to 11. 12 is to 11 is the answer, required answer. Right, next question. Now question on ages. The ratio of ages of A and B is 5 is to 8 and sum of their ages is 26 years. Then find AS is. So ABలో వయసులో నిష్పత్తి 5:8, వారి వయసులో మొత్తం 26 ఇయర్స్ అయితే ఏ వయసు ఎంత? సో వెరీ సింపుల్. AS age is in ratio 5 equal parts. Out of 5 plus 8, 13. Sum of their ages is 26. 13 ones, 13 twos, 5 twos are 10 years. So yes, age is 10 years. Very simple question. Right, next question. Profit and loss. So here a shopkeeper sells his articles at 20% profit on selling price. Find his actual profit. సో ఒక షాప్ కీపర్ తన ఆర్టికల్స్ వస్తువులను సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ మీద 20% ప్రాఫిట్తో అమ్మితే యాక్చువల్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఏంటి? లైట్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ 100 rupees. సో we get profit. Gain is 20% on SP means 20% on 100 means 20 rupees. We get 20 rupees gain. So what is CP? Cost price is selling price means gain minus gain. Selling price is 100. 100 minus 20 means we get 80 rupees. So cost price of an article is 80 rupees. Selling price is 100. So gain is 20 rupees. So 20 rupees on selling price is 20%. Now 20 rupees actual profit is, so actual profit 20 on CP into 100%. So 20 ones, 4 times 4 ones, 4 25s. So 25% is the required answer. So option B is the right answer. So మనకు సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ 100 రూపీస్ అనుకుంటే సో ఎస్పీ మీద 20% గెయిన్ అంటే 20 రూపీస్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు మనకు కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ అంటే 80 రూపీస్ వస్తుంది. సో కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ మీద మనకు యాక్చువల్ ప్రాఫిట్ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తే 25% అవుతుంది. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ద లాస్ ఆన్ ఎస్పీ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఆర్టికల్ ఫర్ 60 rupees is same as profit on SP of the same article for 80 rupees. What is the CP of an article? So very simple. CP is SP1 average of two selling prices. సో మనకు ఒక ఆర్టికల్ను 60 rupees అమ్మితే ఎంత లాస్ అవుతుందో 80 rupeesకి అంతే అమ్మినప్పుడు అంతే ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది. సో మీన్స్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ సెల్లింగ్ 60 rupees, second SP is 80 rupees by 2. So we get 140 by 2 means 70 rupees. Cost price is CP is 70 rupees. If it sells 80 rupees, we get 10 rupees profit. If it sells 60 rupees, we get 10 rupees loss. So this is very simple. We have to find, it is better to find just average of two selling prices. Right, next question. Number 16. On selling 80 bottles, Ravi earns a profit equal to the CP of 10 bottles. What is gain percent? So what is gain percent? For gain by CP into 100%. This is formula. So here on selling 80 bottles, Ravi earns a profit equal to CP of 10 bottles. Let CP of 80 bottles, let it be 80 rupees. Now gain is CP of 10 bottles. CP of 10 bottles means 10 rupees. Gain is 10 rupees. Now gain percent. 10 rupees is gain on CP is 80 rupees. To get percentage, multiplied by 100 rupees. So 0 will be cancelled. 4 twos, 4 25s. Half of the 25, 12.5% is required answer. Very simple. సో 80 బాటిల్స్ అమ్మడం వల్ల 10 బాటిల్స్ కొన్న వేళ ప్రాఫిట్గా వస్తుంది. అయితే ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎంత అనేది మన క్వశ్చన్ అనమాట. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Selling price is equal to 23/20 of CP. What is the gain or loss percent? So from this we can write ratio of SP is to CP is equal to 23 is to 20. Clearly here observe SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than CP, we get a gain. So gain, we get gain. So gain percentage is equal to, gain means 23 minus 20. Difference of SP and CP on CP is 20. To get percentage, multiplied it by 100. So that is 20 once 5 times will go. 23 minus 20 means 3. 3 into 5. So we get 15%. Gain is 15%. So 15% is required answer. Right, next question. Question on this chapter, mensuration. So what is given question? If perimeter of rectangle is 56 meters and its length is 15 meters, so what is its area? So we know that perimeter means 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Here L is length of the rectangle, B is its breadth. Perimeter is 2L plus 2B. 2 is taking as common. 2 into L plus B is 56 by 2. 2 once 2, 28 times will go. So L plus B is 28, but L is 15. 15 plus B is 28. So what you get? B is equal to 13 meters. Now area is equal to product of its length and breadth. This is area of the rectangle. So length is 15 meters in the question. So what you get? Breadth 13 meters, area meter square. So what is 15 into 13? 15 tens 150, 15 3s are 45. So we get 195 meter square is answer. Right, next question. Now observe here question on simplification. So this is continued fractions. We had to simplify from down to up. So now take denominator. So observe here 2 minus 9 by 7 means 7 to 0 14. 14 minus 9 we get 5 by 7. So here substituting, after substituting here, so what you get? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 by 7 becomes 7 by 5 plus, right, as it is 17 by 22, that is equal to 5 3s 15 plus 7, 22 by 5 means 5 by 22 plus 17 by 22, right, as it is. So now denominator 22, numerator 5 plus sum of numerator 5 plus 17 we get 22. So after cancellation we get answer 1. So 1 is the right answer. Right, observe next question. Here 137 into 137 plus 133 into 133 plus 18,221 by 137 into 137 into 137 minus 133 into 133 into 133. So let it be A is equal to 137, B is equal to 133. So we get relation A square plus B square. This is product of 137 and 133 means A into B divided by A cubed minus B cubed, that is equal to, right, numerator as it is A square plus B square plus AB. So what is formula for A cubed minus B cubed? So A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So this numerator and this term will be cancelled. We get 1 by A minus B, that is equal to 1 by A means 137 minus B means 133, that is equal to difference is 4. So final answer we get 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the right answer. So okay, so these are based on memory. So these 20 questions asked for SSC GD Constable held on 17th in this month November in all 3 shifts. సో మనకు ఈ 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా ఎస్ఎస్సి జీడీ కానిస్టేబుల్కు 17th నిర్వహించిన అన్ని షిఫ్ట్లలో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ మెమొరీ ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే ఈ చాప్టర్ వైజ్ మీకు ఈ ప్రశ్నలు అడగడం జరిగింది. సో మరి నెక్స్ట్ రాయబోయే అభ్యర్థులకు ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతాయి. అంటే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏ విధంగా అడుగుతున్నాడు, ఏ చాప్టర్స్ మీద ఎలా అడుగుతున్నాడు అనేది తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. ఇవే క్వశ్చన్సే కాకుండా ఇంకా బార్ గ్రాఫ్, సో మనకు బార్ గ్రాఫ్ అలానే పై చార్ట్ మీద కూడా మనకు ప్రశ్నలు అడగడం జరిగింది. సో అలాగే టైమ్ అండ్ డిస్టెన్స్ మీదగా ప్రశ్నలు అడగడం జరిగింది. సో ఇలా మీకు అప్ టు ఎగ్జామ్ వరకు మీకు ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్స్ కలెక్ట్ చేసి ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏ విధంగా అడుగుతున్నారో ఇవి మీరు ఎప్పటికప్పుడు అప్డేట్ చేసుకోవడం వల్ల తర్వాత రాసే ఎగ్జామ్స్ వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఒక బేస్ చాలా యూజ్ఫుల్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతాయి. కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా వీటిలో రిపీట్ అవుతాయనే విషయం గమనించాలి. మరి సో ఈ మా ప్రయత్నం మీకు నచ్చితే మా వీడియోని లైక్ చేసి అలాగే షేర్ చేయండి, మీ మిత్రులకు కూడా షేర్ చేయండి. రెగ్యులర్గా మా ఛానల్ నుంచి నోటిఫికేషన్స్ పొందడానికి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.